Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're going to talk about various things at the Household Hazardous Waste Facility. We're going to talk about lab packing and acids and bases and how we work with chemicals, and then vapes. That's something new. So in the next several shows, we're going to talk about that. If you have any questions, watch the show. This is called a lab pack of pesticide liquids. And so with this one, I don't have to put vermiculite in it. So basically, I just take these individual containers that are pesticides. Doesn't smell very good in here. And, and you just put them in individually. We don't empty anything out. And so this is called a lab pack. And then this is the way we ship it. So I just put the lid back on, and we have to delineate between agricultural and residential, or business, agricultural, and residential. So what I do is I write the agricultural/business waste on the lid, and then I have to transfer that to the top. We have to tell them how much is ag and how much is residential. So let's say on this bin, it's 209.2 pounds, and 99 pounds of it is agricultural. That's just for the Department of Ag. For their benefit, they keep track of all that. So it's just a great partnership, and it's a way to keep these kind of wastes out of the waste stream. And whoops, I did it too quick. So this is all lab pesticide solids, pesticide liquids. I've got acids, bases, adhesives, and then over here we have latex paint, and this is called a lab packing box. Basically, we can pack latex paint and oil-based paint in boxes. So this side is latex, and then I've got several oil paint boxes over here. You can see there's a little bit of difference. The oil paint needs to be boxed and covered. The latex paint does not. Just because that is a water-based, this is a flammable oil-based. And then these boxes here are all adhesives, roofing tars, caulkings, things like that are flammable, but they can't be thrown away. So if you have something that, it's hard and you can't use it, please don't throw it away if it's flammable. It's still flammable if you throw it away, so it's still toxic. So it needs to come out to the hazardous waste facility, and we'd be glad to take it. And then just kind of a little clue here. Now these are my empty barrels that I have left. So you see that I have this barrel on its side. This barrel, number one, I have a sign on it that says empty. Sometimes I have supplies on it, but this is the international sign for I'm empty. So if I have something that's standing up, it always has a label on it here. So if I ever had to have emergency response coming in here, they would know what's in it and what it's used for. And thank goodness we've never had to have that happen. But these are all empty. This is my supply. It's gotten so full over here that this is my supply. And these, because they've got shrink film, don't need to be on their side. So I just thought that was unique. Also, I would like to show you something different. So we have some solvents here. So these solvents, I'm just going to get rid of my cords here. This is something that people always ask me about. Whoops, now I just ungrounded it. This is a grounding wire. So basically what I'm doing, this is kind of the long haul, because I'm not strong enough to get these on a pallet, so I have to wait till one of the landfill guys come over. We have a ground wire on the back of the wall there. That's basically, it's grounded into the ground, so if there was a spark, it would not allow these things to spark. So if this is connected to the grounding wire, and then these are connected, this one is sitting so close to this one that it's grounded, and then this one is touching this one. It's grounded. We got these from a business. They're technically supposed to be in metal. They're a sanitizer. For some reason, lots of people are getting rid of sanitizer from COVID. This doesn't want to stay. Should have left it alone. So basically, I'm grounding this till I can get the landfill staff over here. And these are solvents. So these will be shipped also, but they have to go on a pallet. So we take solvents. We take solvents over at the transfer station. We also take them through the hazardous waste program. And then this is called bulking it. This is the only thing we bulk here, where we pour the solvents into a drum and then ship it this way. So when we ship solvents, we normally do it in a metal drum. That's what's required. Businesses don't know that, so we have taken it from them. So, it's an interesting place. If you have any questions, call your solid waste office, 218-847-6382 is the Becker County Transfer Station, or the Environmental Services in Becker County is 218-846-7310 if you have any questions. Have a great day.